everyone, and welcome back to the official PDFelement YouTube channel. My name is Christina, and today I have the pleasure of sharing some exciting news with all of you, especially if you're an artificial intelligence enthusiast. PDFelement version 10 has finally arrived, and with it comes a series of significant changes that will make working with PDF documents easier than ever. This version unlocks new AI features while enhancing the existing ones. If you've already experienced the power of Lumi before, the changes in PDFelement version 10 will undoubtedly delight you. So let's take a look at what this new version of PDFelement has to offer. In the previous version, Lumi was introduced to PDFelement, a revolutionary AI assistant that changed the way we interacted with PDF documents. And now, with the arrival of PDFelement version 10, these AI capabilities have been taken to the next level. Lumi is more powerful than ever, thanks to 3 innovative features implemented in this version: the AI Sidebar, the AI Tools, and the AI Read Mode. Let's start by taking a look at what the AI Sidebar is and what it has to offer. In the previous version of PDFelement, Lumi, our AI assistant, provided us with 5 features, and each of them worked independently. Now with Lumi's AI Sidebar, all of these features are conveniently accessible in one place. Simply click on one, and Lumi will insert a label command in the input field. When you select content in your document, Lumi will automatically create a prompt by copying your selection. In this way, we can get the answers we need within the same workspace. For instance, after Lumi provides a summary, I can quickly request a rewrite or an explanation with just a few clicks. Eliminating the need to type anything or swapping to another feature. This small yet revolutionary change unlocks countless possibilities, but it's only just beginning. Now, within the AI Sidebar, you'll find a special button, which when clicked will open a menu with 3 options: New Chat, History, and Settings. New Chat will allow us to create separate conversations with Lumi. Thanks to this, we can have multiple conversations with Lumi simultaneously and keep our information well organized at all times. And you no longer have to concern yourself with losing Lumi's responses from the past. The History option takes care of that. History is our way to go when we need to check for answers from previous conversations. When you click on History, you'll see a list of all the conversations you've had with Lumi in chronological order. Simply click on the conversation you're interested in, and it will immediately appear in the AI Sidebar. And lastly, let's talk about the third option: Settings. Settings is an innovative feature that allows you to expand Lumi's capabilities and customize its responses. And this will be really useful for lots of situations. For example, you can specify to Lumi in which language you want it to respond, which is especially useful if the language of the document is not your native language. You can also choose the tone in which Lumi responds to you, which, along with the rewrite or proofread functions, will ensure that Lumi's responses align with your preferences and needs. You can also pick the right language for your industry, especially when using Lumi to explain stuff related to that field. This ensures that Lumi's responses are aligned with the specific terminology and context of your area of interest. Now, let's talk about one of Lumi's most popular features: Summarize PDF. The Summarize PDF feature is now located within the AI Sidebar. And if you didn't know about this feature, then prepare to be wowed. This feature lets you summarize the document and gives you clickable links. You can use these links to ask Lumi questions about the important stuff in the document, get short answers, and find the page numbers where you will find more details in the document. The great thing is, if you can't find the answers you need among the clickable links in the summary, just make sure the Ask PDF checkbox in the input field is checked. Then you can ask any question you want and Lumi will use the PDF information to answer it. Finally, I want to share what I think is the coolest thing about the AI sidebar, making Lumi even more powerful. You can find this feature in this menu, right beside the other things you can tell Lumi to do. Just open it up and you'll see the Custom option. When you click on this button, you'll see a list of all the available Lumi features you can use. Plus, there's an Add button that allows you to make your own features for super personalized responses. Right now, I'm creating a new feature for Lumi to rewrite my paragraphs using metaphors. Now, among the list of Lumi features of the AI sidebar, you'll see the one you made. And it works just like the others. Click on it, select a sentence or paragraph from your document, and you'll get the exact result you want. As you can see, the options are endless. Now, let's move on to the next major addition to PDFelement's AI tools in version 10, the AI tools. Within the tools in the Home tab, there's the AI tools menu. If you want, you can use it to either show or hide the AI sidebar. And you'll also find 4 new AI features. The first one is Proofread PDF. Proofread PDF will be our greatest ally when we need to review a document for errors or when we are looking for tips to improve the clarity of our documents. When you use the Proofread PDF feature, a special view will be enabled, which will allow you to see 3 things: the list of pages in the document, the current page of a document, and a panel on the right side where you can see in real time while navigating through your document a corrected version of the content of the page you are viewing, as well as some suggestions to improve the clarity of the content. In this way, a process that would otherwise take multiple revisions becomes a brief and automated process. The next feature in the AI Tools menu is PDF AI Written Detect. This tool can do something that would be almost impossible for a human. Identify when something was written by artificial intelligence. By simply clicking on the PDF AI Written Detect button, PDFelement will analyze the document. And in just a matter of seconds, it will be able to determine whether the document was or was not written by AI. From an essay to a contract, PDF AI Written Detect will be able to identify whether it's the work of a human or an AI. The next feature we're going to explore is, once again, one of my favorites: Translate PDF. Translate PDF is PDFelement's AI translation feature. While PDFelement already has a built-in translation tool, the AI translation features offers some amazing unique advantages. Using this feature in the right panel, we'll see a translated version of the page we are reading. Simply select a language, and the on-screen content will be automatically translated. This feature will undoubtedly help us break language barriers, because unlike a conventional translation tool, AI-powered translation takes into account many more factors, allowing it to achieve much more precise and natural results with no human operations required. Finally, PDF to Markdown is the last of the tools listed within the AI Tools menu. With this tool, we can select as many pages as we want to generate a text file with a concise summary with 4 clear sections: abstract, key points, keywords, and Q&A. As you may notice, the information you get from PDF to Markdown is similar to what the Summarize PDF feature generates. However, it is important to note that Summarize PDF aims to create an interactive summary. This summary serves as a guide to facilitate interaction with Lumi, making it easier to access relevant information in the PDF. Whereas on the other hand, PDF to Markdown focuses on extracting as much valuable information as possible from the PDF and places it into a text file that can be easily shared with others as notes. Just imagine the possibilities that converting your PDF into practical and condensed notes can unlock. Just a few clicks and then you are ready to grasp the entire knowledge of your document on the go. Pretty cool, right? To conclude our review, let's explore the AI Read mode and what benefits this has to offer. Among the tools in the View tab, you'll find the AI Read mode feature. This feature activates full screen mode in PDFelement, offering markup and selection tools, scrolling options, and the ability to view 1 or 2 pages at a time, just like a textbook. You can also easily zoom in on the document. But the real magic happens when you start using the selection tool. When you choose a word, sentence, or paragraph, a toolbar will pop up right away. Within this toolbar, you'll see the AI menu. When you click on it, it expands to reveal Lumi's top 5 features: Summarize, Explain, Proofread, Rewrite, and AI Written Detect. And by using any of them, a small pop-up window will appear. In this window, you'll find Lumi's response to your request, along with a tiny button in the upper right corner. This button lets you easily copy Lumi's response to your clipboard. Something worth noting is that if you use the Rewrite or Proofread features, you'll see an additional option, with which you can replace the original text in the document with the improved version that Lumi has generated for you. And if you need to make a more specific request, in the toolbar at the bottom of the screen, you'll find a button that allows you to open the AI sidebar. As you can see, the AI Read mode makes reading and reviewing documents a breeze. Since there's no need for typing to make corrections, imagine how awesome it'd be to read and proofread a PDF on a touchscreen laptop, with Lumi doing the heavy lifting work for you. You can work smarter, not harder, without any loss in productivity. You're now in the loop. PDFelement 10 is here. So if you haven't tried PDFelement yet, this is the best time to give it a shot. Remember that you can download it for free from the official PDFelement website. And if you're already a PDFelement user and want to start enjoying these powerful AI features, all you have to do is click on the Check for Updates button located in this menu. The menu is located at the top right corner of the PDFelement window. Thank you so much for sticking around with me until the end of this video. If you find it helpful, do make sure to hit that thumbs up button below and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future tips videos. I will be continuing to bring you more videos with many tips and tricks to make your work easier. You can also check out some of the rest of the videos on this channel and you will find more videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time.